Do you find cleaning windows a chore? Carrying sponges, brushes, ladders, then heavy buckets of water can be back-breaking work. You need T-Wipe Deluxe from Creative Products. Simply spray, wipe and dry with one simple hand movement. Cleaning has never been easier. To use, simply unscrew the spray head from the storage tank. Now fill with your chosen window cleaner or detergent. Replace the spray head and away you go. Just a few quick sprays and your car windows are crystal clear once more. Clearer vision for much safer driving. T-Wipe quickly cleans large expanses of glass, making it ideal for glass tables. Make bathroom mirrors dazzling again. Crystal clear conservatories for a perfect view. Grimy shower screens, cleaned and gleaming once more. T-Wipe tackles windows, doors and more without stress or strain. Lightweight and compact, it's handy for caravans and campers too. Say goodbye to smears, stains and streaky glass. Take yours to the checkout now.